Happy Halloween to everyone out there. This is my favorite time of the year. I love it when the holidays come. So much decorating to do. But if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. In this video, I'm going to show you how I decorated my house on the inside. And all the supplies I use are listed in the description box below. Now come and join me, my pretties. I bought 2 packs of bats this year from Walmart. This dollar pack had some plain bat cutouts, not really much to them, but the $2 pack, it had some glitter bats and some other plain bats. However, these bats had folds in them, so you can make them look a little bit more interesting. And they also came with these little sticky circles, so you could stick them easier. So I love that part. This year I'm doing a lot of decorating with silhouettes because I've learned over the years that a silhouette is a really cheap and easy way to put a little scary element in a room. And now you could cut these out yourself, which I don't recommend because I've done that before and it's very tedious. But if you could find them at the stores for as cheap as $1 or $2, I recommend going ahead and do so. But this is how it looks. And ooh, isn't this so scary? I'm taking some of my fall decorations and I'm just tweaking them a little bit and adding some scary touches here and there. And of course, I have to hang some bats on some of the light switches. And this is another silhouette that I purchased from Walmart of some crows. I'm just going to put them above some of the doors around the house. And another cheap way to decorate is to just put some spider webs and spiders on various picture frames and mirrors around the house to give it a spooky effect. This is a Halloween chalkboard that I bought from Dollar Tree many years ago. I'm just going to put a little message on it and use it as part of decorating my entrance right above my key rack. Now it has a little burn mark on it. I'm not exactly sure where that came from, but I'm going to hide it with a candle and put some other various decorations around it. By the way, I am loving this music. This is a part of some window cling that I've had for many years actually. So it's kind of old and kind of wrinkly, but I'm gonna do my best to try to put it on my kitchen cabinets because the white of the cabinets and the doors just make them pop. I found these at Dollar Tree and I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with them, but they were too cute for me to leave them there. So I got these magnets also from Dollar Tree, and I realized that, hey, I could use them as little magnets to go on my refrigerator. You guys might remember this bar shelf I made a couple months ago. I'm gonna put a link in this video for you in case you want to watch it. But I decided to spice it up with this handsome skull. And I added these potion jars that I made many years ago with some empty jars that I had around my house. That I just basically printed out some labels for them and spray painted them the colors that I needed. I used things like twine to tie the tops. This one I put blood on it. This one I used hot glue gun for the designs, and I covered it with chalk, and I'll show you how I do that later on in the video. And for this other jar, I spray painted silver, and I found some fabric that I glued some twine around it and glued on a spider, and there we go. Those are my little potion jars. Every year I find myself trying to top the year before, so I'm always setting the bar higher and higher for myself. Sometimes I stress myself out, but I don't usually decorate my kitchen for Halloween, but I love the way that this turned out. Oh, I didn't even notice this before, but those crows look like they're ready to fight. And if you start to feel overwhelmed, break time. Again, decorating the mirrors with spider webs, but I think I'm going to add some spiders to my wall decals here, to my bird cages. Give it a little touch. Now here comes the crafting. I'm going to hot glue this empty wine bottle with a spider web. So I start off with a circle, and then I make some various lines coming from it, and then I'm going to connect the lines with the webbing. Very easy. It doesn't need to be perfect too, because again, this is Halloween, everything's scary. This is a leftover bottle I had from a previous project. I'm going to keep this simple and just write trick or treat on it, and spray paint both of the bottles black. I have the option of using a Sharpie chalk or regular chalk. I'm going to go with the regular chalk because I like the choppy effect that it gives. And then I just blow it off the bottle, and there you go. That's how it looks. If you want a neater look, then go with the Chalkboard Sharpie. These taper candles are pretty common at Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to cut these down to size and add some dripping to it with a hot glue gun and place them in the bottles, and they are done. These are some other Dollar Tree items that I spray painted. You're going to see them later on in the video. Y'all, creepy cloth. Oh my gosh, this could be the foundation of every Halloween look you're going for. You cannot have enough of this stuff. This is a must-have. But I'm about to show you all the different items that I'm about to decorate this table with. It's a lot of items, and I'm going to show you really fast. So don't forget, everything is listed in the description box below. During the holidays, I have to have a timer for all of my lights because it is just so much more convenient for me. I don't even have to bother them. The lights go on and off when they need to. And they're only $5 at Walmart. No more than $5 for my peace of mind. I will pay that. But yes, this is an absolute must. Okay, you guys, it's time for the grand finale. Of everything that I made, this is my absolute favorite. I took this candelabra and I used this leftover terrarium that I had. For some reason, I could not find another glass bubble that would fit this terrarium, but anyways, I'm going to make this work. I covered the candelabra with some leftover plastic tablecloth, and I taped it up with some black electrical tape. And I dripped some creepy cloth over it, and then stuffed the terrarium with some spider webs and these lights, and I covered the holes with a spider and some creepy cloth so nobody would notice them. And this is how it turned out. I love my magical crystal ball. And here is the entire table decor. Oh, I forgot to show you that I put these, I think they're called peonies. Peonies, I think that's how they're pronounced. These purple and white peonies around everywhere just to add a little bit of floral touch. And then here's my candle, and there's that rat and the skull again. And here is my crystal ball. Ooh, let me turn the light out so you can see it better. There it is. Isn't that spooky? And let me turn the lights out and show you how it looks at night. Okay, and that's it for my video. I have a bunch of pictures left to show you that you can feel free to watch. But don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out. I will be putting another video for my Halloween outside decor shortly. And thank you guys for watching. And I wish you a happy Halloween. I know, I'm so corny. Bye.